Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to program a key fog to your Ford car. So I'm pretty sure if anybody had a Ford car, this key fog will look very familiar to you. And my old key fog just happened to not work no more, so I got a new one from Amazon. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to program it. So it's very simple. So I switch it over to my the front view, and first thing you want to do is grab your key, right? And then what you're going to do is put it in an ignition and turn it into the run position and back like 8 times. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you should hear the car light pop with like the locks and stuff to pop. Basically, it's just telling you that it's in the mode to program your key fog. So let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. See, you heard the pop. Now I'm going to take the key fog and press a button. And there it go, it's programmed. Once you press a button like on the key, you'll hear it lock like I just did. And to like save it, all you do is take your key, take it out, watch this, and it's saved. And just like that, the key fog is working. It's working, just like that. Very simple, guys.